so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. I just finished writing a lot of invitations for a party next week. I'm so excited. And I'm excited because I'm gonna make a really yummy dinner. Can you guess what I'm going to make for dinner? I'll give you a hint. It has a lot of toppings and can be made really big so a lot of people can share it. Yeah, that's right. I'm going to have a pizza party. And I know the perfect place that we can learn how to make pizza. Olio Pizza. Come on, this is going to be so much fun. I'll see you there. Hey, it's me, Blippi, and today we're here in a real-life pizza kitchen. Yeah! So we're gonna learn how to make pizza. Oh, I'm so excited. But first things first, we gotta put on our gloves. So here we go. One, and we'll put on another one. Here we go. Great, we got our gloves on and we're all ready to make some pizza. Oh, hey, what's your name?
Hey, my name is Michael.
Hi, Michael. Can you teach us how to make some pizza today?
Yes, no problem. I want to teach how to make the pizza.
Oh, okay.
Okay, the first thing, you need to take the spatula,
Okay.
flour,
Okay.
and this is the dough, okay?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, you need to put a little bit flour in the top. You take out the dough, and you put again in the flour, okay?
Okay.
After that, you need to split a little bit flour in the flour. You push a little bit, you take out the air.
Whoa.
After that, you need to shape a little bit. Push it,
Nice.
and you start shaping.
Ooh, it's so stretchy and stringy.
Yeah. Shape it, shape it, shape it. And when it's almost done, you need to put again right here.
Whoa. You're really good at making pizza, Michael.
Yeah. After that, you need to put tomato sauce.
Oh.
This is the sauce.
Whoa. Look at that.
With a spoon. You just put the shape right here.
Whoa.
After that, you need to put the cheese.
Okay, cheese.
This is a Parmesan cheese.
Parmesan cheese is so good, yeah.
And this is a mozzarella cheese.
Yummy.
Oh. So
And then
fresh basil.
fresh basil.
You cut it
Ooh, so yummy.
and the small pieces. Make it nicely. And cherry heirloom tomatoes.
Ooh, tomatoes.
After that, you need to put like olive oil.
Okay.
And that's the pizza ready for the oven.
Oh, yeah. That pizza looks so yummy.
This pizza goes to the oven, okay?
Yeah. Now,
You wanna make it?
yeah, can I make
Okay,
a pizza
no
too? Okay. Here we
Take
go.
the flour,
Take the flour.
put the flour on the top,
Whoa.
take it out with the
Take
slowly,
it.
yeah.
Here we go.
Nice, you put in the flour,
We'll put it in the flour. Whoop.
play with the dough.
Kind of sticky. Here we go. And we're gonna
Take it out again,
take it out.
push it, take it out the air. Yeah.
Okay. We'll push all the air out and the bubbles out of the pizza dough. Whoa! Whoa! It's so stringy. Woo! So silly. Okay. Here we go. Keep pushing out all those bubbles. Okay. Here we go. Keep doing it.
Do it,
Keep pushing it out.
A little bit, yeah. You can flip it a little bit.
Yeah.
Nice.
Here we go. Whoa! It's starting to look just like a pizza. Whoa! This is a lot harder than it looks.
No problem.
Here we go.
Nice.
Whoa!
A little bit more.
You're really good at this.
No problem.
Whoa!
You can put tomato sauce inside.
Yeah.
You can put tomato.
Whoa! Look at this. This is really yummy tomato sauce. Whoa! Okay, now let's put the tomato sauce on the pizza. Here we go. Whoop. And then we're gonna mix it around. Okay,
Parmesan cheese.
nice. And now we have our Parmesan cheese, so yummy. Ooh. Put a little on there.
And the mozzarella cheese.
We got some mozzarella. Oh, whoa! This cheese is really cool because it's in all kinds of shapes. Do you know what kind of shape this mozzarella cheese is? Yeah, that's right. It's a triangle. Okay, so I'll put some of those little triangles and squares. Put some more squares.
More squares.
Whoa,
Nice. After
okay.
that, you need to put the basil a little bit.
Some basil.
Fresh basil.
Fresh basil, yummy! Whoa! Whoa, that's a lot of basil.
And olive oil on the top.
And a little bit of olive oil, here we go. Whoa! So silly.
And that's the margarita pizza. You can put the tomatoes too.
Okay, we'll put a couple tomatoes that have been chopped in half that are also really yummy. We'll put those on top. And now, the pizza's almost ready to go in the oven. Awesome.
That's it.
Well,
Really
Michael,
easy.
thank you so much for
welcome.
teaching me how to make a pizza. Yeah, and thank you for helping me make some yummy, yummy pizza. Good job. Now, let's go put these pizzas into the oven. Here we go. Whoa.
You move a little bit because you sure you're not stuck on the bill. And you put into the oven.
Whoa, it's really hot in this oven. Whew. I can't wait for it to be all done. Let's go put the other pizza
Let
in.
me put the other one.
Yeah.
It's the same thing. This. Make sure the toppings is good.
Whoa. Whoa. Look at it.
There.
There's a big fire inside this pizza oven. It's really, really hot, and it
You
helps
wait
to
like
cook the
30
pizza.
seconds. You wait like 30 seconds. After that, you can flip the pizza, okay?
Well, now all we have to do is wait for the pizza to get done. So I'm gonna do a pizza dance. Here we go. So silly. Okay, it looks like the pizza's almost ready. Let's see. Whoa! The pizza
Almost done.
is almost done. The pizza was really small, but because the dough has flour and yeast, when it gets really hot, the dough begins to rise and it becomes a delicious pizza. Yeah. Whoa! That was so much fun learning how to make pizza at Olio Pizza. It was so delicious. Hey, did you know that pizza originally came from Italy? Yeah, and it makes me really want to learn how to speak Italian. So I invited my good friend Francesca over. I think that's her. Hello?
Hi, Blippi.
Hi, Francesca. I'm so excited to learn Italian. We just learned how to make pizza. Do you think you could teach us some Italian?
Sì, certo.
Whoa, that was Italian.
And I said, of course.
Ooh, I'm so excited to learn. Let's go. This is gonna be so much fun. So first, maybe we should learn our numbers.
Okay, let's count to 5 together.
Okay, here we go.
0,
0,
0, 1,
1,
1, 2,
2,
2,
ooh,
3,
3,
3, 4,
4, ooh,
which is 4, 5,
5. Whoa.
5.
Whoa! We did it! We counted to 5! Okay, so we learned how to count to 5 in Italian. Maybe we can learn how to say our colors.
Rosso,
Rosso,
red, verde,
verde,
green,
ooh,
giallo,
giallo,
yellow.
yellow,
And your 2 favorite colors.
orange and blue,
Yes, arancione,
arancione,
orange,
orange,
and blue.
blue,
Blue.
blue. Whoa! That was so awesome. But I still feel a little bit hungry. Maybe Francesca can teach us some food.
Okay, So, cibo,
Cibo.
food.
Ooh.
Acqua,
Aqua.
water.
Water.
Pane,
Pane.
bread. Torta,
Torta.
cake.
Cake! I love cake, especially birthday cake. Do you like cake too? Awesome!
Pizza,
Pizza?
pizza.
Pizza! Well, that one was pretty easy. Well, thanks so much for teaching us Italian, Francesca.
You're welcome, Blippi.
Hey, will you dance the pizza dance with us?
Of course.
Yeah! And you can dance along too! Let's go! I'm so excited to do the pizza dance with you. Okay, stand up and dance along with us! Yeah!
Step into my kitchen for a very tasty treat. With saucy sauce and cheesy cheese, these flavors can't be beat. Your mouth will start to water when you see what we can make. A little piece of Italy, the most delicious bake. Grab some dough, roll that dough, and toss it in the air. Then take a scoop of saucy sauce and spread it everywhere. Don't forget your toppings, extra cheese, sure sounds nice. Open wide and take a bite of a warm, delicious slice.
That was awesome! Great job!
It was so much fun, Blippi. Thank you for having me here.
It was so nice to have you. And thank you for dancing along and learning with us. Bye, Francesca.
Bye, everyone. Bye, Blippi.
That was so awesome! We learned about so much today. How to make pizza, how to speak Italian. It was great! Well, that's the end of this video. But if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Hey, can you spell my name with me? Okay, let's spell it together. B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. Good job. Well, I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!